Alrighty, just a little under 20 degrees out, and the real feels about 16, I believe. So we're gonna give this a cold start. 77 C10 with a 454 big block. It's got headers and some glass packs on it, and it can be tricky to start, especially cold. So we'll give it a go. Almost. And we don't have no choke. I rebuilt the Quadrajet on there and didn't put up the divorce choke and didn't hook it back up. So takes a little bit. Come on. Come on. She's getting there. Come on. Come on. Turn the idle up a little bit on there. That sure does smell good. Well, I appreciate it if you made it this far in the video. If you did, go ahead and leave a thumbs up. I'd really appreciate it. And subscribe for more content alike. Dalton's Garage signing out.